Hello friends, as you can see I'm mainly a home worker. This is my desk, this is my view. But you can also see that I only have one screen. Kefeya asked me to show their extended monitor on my channel and I don't really know what to expect of it. So let's discover it in this video together. So for now the only things I know that it should be quite thin and very light. Okay, so in the box we have this really nice real boxing of the screen with all the specs, and the style of this box makes me think a little bit about the Apple product line. Already can see some specs over here. So it's 14 inches, full HD, 60 Hz, contrast ratio. We have the thickness of the screen and it only weighs 600 grams. So that's comparable to a small bottle of water. And then on the back, we see more specs. My laptop is 15.1 inch. This screen is 14 inch, so it should be more or less the same. Parameters and the in the box accessories. And you can see it has all the certificates. So it comes with a really nice pouch. See, there's a pocket, I guess, to store the cables. There's an instruction on how to store the screen. So it sits really snug, but see how thin this is, and it literally weighs nothing. So the back side is a little bit rigid, so that's good. And then we have the screen itself. So there's this foot, which can be turned 90 degrees and extended as well. And that's in order to support the additional weight of the screen. And here we have the connector types. So this power button is also for the volume up and down. You have a PC that has a USB-C port that also can handle display. Then you can use this USB-C to USB-C cable. If you don't have this kind of USB-C, then you can use the other cable. So there are a lot of connection options. Check out the screen itself. Again, little protection over here. So the screen can extend in this way to clip on any size of laptop. Now further in the box we have this manual. So the setup procedure. Then we have all the connection types. So conformity. This is like a quick start brochure that also can be folded and is easy to carry around. And then a really nice display of all the available cables. So there is a HDMI cable, there is this USB-C to USB-A cable, and there is this USB-C to USB-C cable. So the extended foot is to support the screen if your screen doesn't hold really well yourself. But as you can see, I use this laptop support, so the foot won't be long enough. I won't need the foot right now, so let's put it back. Now let's peel off this protection screen. If you're using the HDMI cable, you also should connect the screen to a USB-A port to get it powered. So when using the two cables, make sure that you plug in your video cable to the C3 port and you put your power cable into the C1 or C2 port. And then as soon as you're connected correctly, you'll see that it duplicates your screen directly as well. I don't want to duplicate, I want to extend. And now let's check this out. The quality is really nice. You can see a cursor goes from one to another. So this will definitely be my main setup from now on. So easy to install, so easy to use. Now there's also sound, so let's check out the sound settings as well. So let's kill the internal speakers of my laptop, and now there's only the screen. Okay. So it still comes from behind, as it is the holder that holds the speakers as well. But it is really loud. And if you're off to the office, then for the storage, it is really easy. We put back in this little protection paper. You have to put this big part down there. So that goes in first. There you go. And now you can put the HDMI cable over here. And here you go. A really sleek setup that will make all my colleagues jealous. If you are in the market for an extended screen, please check out my link in the video description. You can find it on Amazon. Drop me a comment to let me know what you think about it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the very next video. Bye bye.